Alright, so in this video we'll go over some of the animations. These are the same animations that are in Anthem. So actually if you go to YouTube and you just type in Divi Anthem child theme animations, you're going to get this video that talks about the same animation classes I'm going to briefly go over. This one's 5 minutes long, so it might be better just to watch that one, but I'll quickly hit those here. So basically in the CSS, all the way to the bottom, and then come up a little bit, we have these animations here, and you see left dash animated, right dash animated, top, bottom, and fade in. And then you'll notice that when I refresh this page, this growth by design section, or sorry, I'm thinking this elevate your company. There we go. That whole section fades in. That's not normal Divi. And you'll see here in this row, on custom here, I have ET waypoint, and along with that I have fade in animated. And that's what is making this whole row, which is this text and button, fade in. If I were to change this to say from fade in to top animated, now it's going to come down from the top. Bottom comes up, and there's left and there's right. I'm going to go ahead and put this back to what I had, which was fade in, animated, which is the one I use the most. So as you can see when I scroll down the page here, certain things like that whole "we know the way" right there, that whole thing fades in because, again, the row has this waypoint. You can even fade in entire sections if you wanted. So for example, I could go here and I have to have the fade in animated and then ET-waypoint. There's got to be a space between there. But now when I refresh the page, this whole thing is going to fade in. Like that. You want to be careful on how much you use this because it is in browser. It can be intense on the processor. Another example I want to show is on the platform page. On the platform page, it also has this growth by design section, but it's called flexible development, I think. And this row, you'll see it's the rhombus row and it has bottom animated. So it's going to come up from the bottom. So when I click on platform, you'll notice that that whole area comes up. That flexible development slides up. And that's what's making that happen. You'll also notice down here that this camera box, this logo image goes up, which most image modules in Divi can do that. Learn More comes in and it goes down. So if we go and look at that, the camera box image has the bottom waypoint, which starts from the bottom, goes up, and then the button for that section is going to have top animated, meaning it starts from the top and fades in going down. And that's why you get this kind of thing. Yeah, so just a little bit of interactivity or a little bit of animation as things come in. It's a fun deal to mess around with. Again, if you need more on it, you can Google or YouTube the video on Anthem Divi child theme animations. And the next video, I believe the last one for now, I'll be going over briefly this particle ground background thingy. We'll see you there.